What's in there, buddy?
You want to help open, bud? Boomer, come here. Boomy. What's in here? Want to help open? Yeah? Oh, this is Boomer. Oh, yeah, don't squish Williams. Okay. I'm not familiar with the gift giver here, Boomer. I don't think I've met them. Unka and Sadie? What is in here? Oh my. Oh goodness. Yeah. Oh look, you got a stocking. Oh, Booms. Oh, right. What else in here? Let's look and see what's in here. Yeah. You can use those.
Boomer, what'd you get?
You got tennis balls.
Boomer, what'd you get?
They're big old balls.
Boom. Let me see.
Pick it up.
What do you got there?
Show Dad.
What is it? Good boy.
Oh, look, and your
Look at
nails
that.
on there and glitter paint. Glitter glue. Awesome.
He's ready to play.
You can always use that, can't you?
What is wrong? Will, nothing's wrong. It's okay. It's okay.
So the rest in here is for Will. You want one?
Did you get one?